Want to turn your Wati messages into lead-generating machines? First, open the Wati message template where you want to insert your dynamic call to action. Now, focus your attention on the button settings. Here's where the magic happens. You'll find a field labeled link URL. Instead of a static URL, input a link that leverages UTM parameters. UTM parameters let you track exactly where your clicks are coming from, which is crucial for understanding your campaign's effectiveness. For example, it can be and UTM underscore source equals WATA and UTM underscore medium equals message and UTM underscore campaign equals promotion name. Remember to replace promotion with the actual name of your promotion. Next, personalize the button text to match the context of your message instead of a generic click here. Try something more engaging like claim your discount now. Or learn more about our new feature. This tailored approach speaks directly to the user's needs. To track your CTA performance, integrate Wati with your analytics platform. This will allow you to monitor click-through rates, conversions, and other key metrics. You should use these insights to refine your CTA strategies and optimize your message content over time. And that's it. By strategically adding dynamic CTAs in Wati, customizing the links, tracking their effectiveness, and personalizing your approach, you can significantly improve your campaign performance, drive user actions, and maximize your WA. Also, do not forget to explore Wati's advanced features for even greater control.